Okay? So I'm coming here, this is completely loose. He should not have any idea that the manipulation is about to be formed. I will come in and come back out again all in one fell swoop. So he's here, the head is already in the position. So with this hand here, you just come in and come back out again before he actually knows that it's about to happen. That way he never contracts, he doesn't tighten up, no preload. I came from out, in, back out again. Coming up, straight down and in. It's still fairly comfortable for him. Remember, it's this way at the same time when you do it. This, all your weight has to be here. This is all loose. This is heavy stress is here, but this is all loose. All loose. That's it. So from here, now I'm coming in this way. I'm coming straight in the same line of drive, which is directly perpendicular to the surface of the appendage. So this will come out that way. Okay?
Hi, I'm Ronald Simoniego. I'm a doctor of physical therapy from Chicago, and I just finished or almost finished with the spinal manipulation course. And I love what I've gotten from it because I've always been scared of manipulating the spine, and especially the neck area. And now I feel more confident in doing it, and I believe it's just a matter of practice, and I'll be getting more and more out of it. So thanks, Dr. Austin.
Hi, good afternoon. My name is Daniel Reyesindo. I'm a physical therapist from Brooklyn, New York. Just traveled here, got here yesterday, and today I took a spinal manipulation course. It's really a great course. It's very efficient. The patient doesn't really feel pain, and I feel like it's easy to do, but it's very technical in nature. But once you learn it, I believe this is one of the most effective way to do spinal manipulation.
My name is Daniel Gagne from Ottawa. I've been a physiotherapist for 18 years. I've been taking this course. This is my first time taking this course. Very amazing, concise, efficient. I can go home Monday morning and start practicing what I've learned this weekend.
And that's
really recommend the course.
Spine manipulation course, right?
Spine manipulation course, exactly.
All right. It was worth coming from Quebec to Toronto?
Oh, it was worth the 10-hour drive.